Alright, I think I figured out what's going on with this. I think with all the dirt and crap that I've been pulling off of this, the airflow stopped, it overheated. And look at these two valves. Okay, here's the intake valve. I believe that's the intake. I don't want to lie to you. Yep. So this is the intake right here, and I haven't done anything to it yet. Okay, let's see how it's kind of still chrome. It's got a lot of carbon on it. There's the seat. Okay. Now here's the exhaust. I just went in and wire brushed it. Whoa. Look how black that is. So I think that that's been really hot. There's the grind on it. Haven't done anything with that. Like I say, just wire brushed it and the head's all black, but it's fairly clean. It doesn't look bad. I mean, it's, so I think it got hot. And that's what baked in the rings, the piston. Here's the piston. I just sprayed it with a little PV blaster and wiggled it a little bit, and the rings come right out on it. So so there's that, and that cleaned up really good. To wire brush the carbon off the head. Get a little bit of oil on it now. Rod doesn't feel too bad. Granted, it's discolored, but I don't feel any grooves in it at all. So, and then here's the, see the inside. It's really clean. There's like no metal or anything showing in it. But that cylinder, I mean, it looks, other than it's really dark. I mean, there's no scratches in it. I mean, so I'm just gonna hone it. And I went and bought a hone. Got a cylinder hone. I think it'll go small enough to do this. Get some lube for it. Looks pretty good. Off that head gasket. So I think it's going to work out pretty good. Alrighty, I think I'm just going to go through and clean this all up. And I've ordered some parts, ordered a gasket kit, and I needed a little deal so I can grind the valves. A little one of them hand deals. Nobody in town had one, so those will be coming. And I think this will go back together fine. So I'm just going to spend an hour or so cleaning parts up and making sure everything's nice and shiny, and then we'll get back to it. All right, bring you back when I'm a little closer.